All right, so apparently this is the fastest and one of the cheapest ways to set up n8n. So I'm going to give it a go. Start free. n8n. Deploy free for 7 days. What's that? £7 a month. $7 a month. Apparently there's a cheaper version, but let's just do it. I think right now we're on 10 seconds. What is that? It? Are you joking? Your site is live. Visit. Next. Are you joking? We'll get started. Send me a free license key. Oh my god, so you get emailed that free license key. Jeez, that is unbelievable. Didn't even ask, that was nothing. It's got no card information, absolutely nothing. Wow. I've got to say, that was absolutely amazing.